Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix story not uploading on Instagram on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then go back. Enable aeroplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Tap Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Solution number 2. Instagram Offload App. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down, tap Instagram. Tap Offload App. Again Offload App. And reinstall it. Solution number 3. Instagram sign out and sign in back. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Click on profile icon. Tap on 3 lines. Tap setting and privacy. Scroll down. Tap sign out. Again sign out. And sign in back. Thanks for watching this video.